Thank you. You can look at these ones that will replace their uniform. They're not looking like every other student in this school. They're no longer looking bad. And this will build their confidence at the moment. And that's where they can also compete with their counterpart in the class. So this is the essence of us coming here. And we also want to advise anybody who is going to watch this video to also do the same thing to people around this environment. We are not saying bring the money to us, but you can as well do the same thing anywhere you find yourself. If we must make in Nigeria a better place for all of us. Thank you and God bless you.
My name is Comrade Adole, and I'm the head teacher at St. Peter's Primary School, Otukpo. I want to sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank the management, staff, the visionaire, the organizers of Raf Abba Foundation for this gesture that they have done to my pupils. It is a great help to us because when children appear and they are not looking like their mates, it drops their morale. No matter how much you do to pass instruction, they will always feel backward, as if they are not part of the class. But with what has happened today, their life has been transformed. This gesture is not just about uniform, it's a transgenerational change that has happened. This is something that will affect their life in future. And a seed also has been planted, the seed of community service has been planted in these young ones. Tomorrow they will reciprocate what has happened. So I want to thank Raf Abba and the foundation as a whole for what they have done. It is obvious that parents are overwhelmed. The government is overwhelmed. So all that, what can save public primary education in every sector in Nigeria now is this kind of private-public partnership. And this is what we are seeing today. It takes a large heart to do it, not because he has the funds and resources, but because he has the heart. There are people that are richer than him in this community, but they've not seen our plight. But here is an eye that have seen the plight of these young ones. So I am not their parent biologically, but I'm their parent by this standard now. So I am saying thank you very much. The Lord bless you. And I know that this foundation will go far and wide. Amen. Every child you are helping today, you are not helping a child, you are helping a nation. Yes. God bless you. Today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children have been taken off the street. We have saved 5 children from becoming street children. We have saved 5 generations and far beyond. We have saved 5 families. We have planted 5 industries. We have planted 5 establishments. We have planted probably 5 governors, ministers, senators. This is what we see. And I think this is what he also saw. So I say from my heart, God bless you. Thank you very much. We are so grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, Raf Abba Foundation.